Surfing I love because I love the water. I'm a Pisces. I just feel recharged. But yeah, it's hard. It's difficult. It's frustrating. It's painful. Wipeouts, reef cuts, the collisions in the water. But at the end of the day, once you get that one ride, it's worth it. That stoked feeling, they say, when I catch a wave and when you're on that board, it's just, you get goosebumps. So I'm on my way to the market with Marco Villareal. Marco is one of the best surfers here in Baler. He's a trained chef that's worked around the world. He started his own cafe here called Freshest. I'm here with Chef Marco Villareal. He's like an extreme cook. He likes to cook very healthy and very unhealthy. Yeah. He was telling me about a salad earlier, and then he was telling me that he wants to cook that pig face over there. Yung balak namin mamaya is to cook for all our local friends. If we cook for them in the water, they will give us waves. 20 hungry surfers. Any girls?
I think so.
Okay.
For sure.
All right, some inspiration. So we'll have fish, vegetable, a few seafood dishes.
Seafood, yeah.
Okay, so yung gagawin namin dito, what we'll do is we'll make a crab rice. And then Marco suggested we put coconut. Kung makahanap tayo ng talangka doon, mas masarap. To be quite honest, first time ko tumikim ng ganito ka-fresh. Ganun lang, ikot na. Kariwang. I don't even know where this dish is going, but I have a feeling already that it's gonna be good. So at Press Start, Marco and I cooked that crab rice. Sweet and sour baked lapu-lapu. Kinila with wasabi malunggay sauce. Then we made eggplant salad with salted egg and tomatoes. Grilled fish with grated coconut and pork belly with lots of garlic. So cooking at Press Start is very inspiring. I mean, the place, it's just a shack, but it's tastefully done. You know, it's all wood, it's open air, there's good music, there's a brick oven at your disposal. It's like a creative space. So down the road, we saw some friends, so we invited them for dinner. When they came, it was pretty cool because, you know, you got Franco, the musician, you got Bronix, the owner of Woodshack, you got the De La Torre brothers. So it was pretty cool to hang out with the boys outside of the water because in the water we normally don't talk, and at this dinner, you know, we were able to bond, share stories, share gossips, exchange surf ideas. Yeah, and then, you know, had a few beers, and it was a really good time to get to know more of each other.